We have a church, we have our homes, we have our families. Some of the people out in the Midwest have nothing.
At least 93 people were killed across 5 states after one of the deadliest U.S. tornado outbreaks in a decade. The storms on December 10th into the 11th tore apart homes, and hundreds are still without power and a place to live. Now the Twin Tiers community is doing their part to help the victims. The First Presbyterian Church of Horseheads and Doug's Fish Fry already planned an event, but after the tornadoes hit, they came up with an idea.
And they called us a few weeks ago and said, hey, we have an open date on December 21st. Right after that, we talked about the fact that this is money that we usually don't get, and we were going to earmark it for something special, and then the tornadoes happened out in the Midwest.
All of the proceeds and donations from this event are going to the Presbyterian Disaster Assistance. Located in Louisville, their national response team is in Kentucky and other states impacted by the tornadoes. They are working alongside the community as they begin the long road to recovery.
They don't even have a house or anything from their house. I've seen some people having church services in a parking lot. So it's nice to be able to help people that have lost everything.
We are digging out. Yes, we are down. Yes, we are hurting. But we are not defeated and we are not broken.
A group of people called the Pennsylvania Posse from Tioga and Potter County in Pennsylvania are helping too. They set out for Russellville, Kentucky on December 17th, and this past week they collected supplies for tornado victims. The community helped fill their trailer with food, first aid supplies, jackets, gasoline, generators, and more. The group is now in discussions about making another trip in the near future, and if they do go, they want to bring double the amount of supplies. Reporting in Horseheads, Kevin Gefeller, 18 News.